Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Link from the Legend of Zelda. So let's get started. To draw this awesome hero, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw a wide bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across the other side about here and do the same thing. I'm just going to connect at the bottom with a curve. So come towards the center, right there, and then we're going to go up. There, so just a basic bottom of a U curve. And then let's come back where you started towards the edge and we're going to draw a circle. And let's come right across and do the same thing, but right here towards the edge. And now that we have our circles in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So add 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, the circles in, let's come on the top and we're going to add a curve right over the eye to anchor it. So right over the eye, just going to add this curve. I'm just going to thicken it up a little bit. And then right here on this corner right here, we're just going to add a little flick. Just a little curve that goes up. So same thing on the other side. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's come to the center, about right here. We're going to draw a smile. Slightly goes upwards and cap it off. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and draw his hair. So I'm going to come back up here, just bring this up a tiny bit more, just a little bit above his eye. And then we're going to start to draw his hair. So I'm going to start over here and I'm just going to draw a curve. And we're basically going to draw a bunch of zigzags that goes over his eye. So I'll start with one, then let's come over here. And there's this one main one, so let's go one and then this main one right here. So smaller and then bigger, and it comes down, a little bit lower, and then we're gonna go up. So his hair parts in this on the side right here. And then from here, let's go ahead and bring a curve going the opposite way back to where you started. So it's just a big curve on both sides and zigzags in the center. From there, let's see here. Let's come back to where his eyes are right here. We're going to draw kind of like these sideburns, right? So let's come right here, following this curve for his face. We'll come down with a curve. We're going to go up and zigzag once again, and then we're going to bring it up. And about right here, I'll just flick out a curve, come back in, and let's see. You know what, let's bring this out. Just make it a little bit easier. We'll extend this curve so that we can tuck this strand in there. Then from there, we can go ahead and draw his ear. So we're going to pop out his ear in this area right here. Round off the tip and in. So it's just like Zelda that I drew not too long ago. Okay, so same thing on this side. So let's just bring this out just to make it a little bit easier. And then we're going to put in that strand just like the other side. So about right here. Just make this one a little bit simpler. add a strand and then his ears once again, just like the other side. Round off the tip and in. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish his hair. So it parts right here. So we're going to bring this up. It's going to curve. Imagine it going all the way up, nice and full. So say about right here. Just going to add a curve, and this side is going to go up, and this side is going to come down. So let's go up right here, nice and high and full. We're going to start with one strand. It's all coming down. One, two, and one big curve that comes all back to his ear. And then the other side is just much simpler. We're just going to come down, give a little wobble, and right back to his ear. Then for some details, we can come about, let's say right here. I'll just finish up the strand, so curve all the way back to that zigzag right there. And you come right here with a curve where you wobbled. And let's bring this up. So just trying to create more detail right here, and maybe just add another curve right here. Or you can do this when you're coloring so it's not so harsh. Okay, and then maybe one more right here. There. Okay, we're finally done with his hair. Oh no, actually we still have some back hair we need to draw, right? Because it's a little bit long, but let's work on his body first. So right in the center, we can give him a tiny little neck, and then we're going to come down and then draw his shoulders down. So same thing here. Come down and then draw his shoulders. So let's come back to, let's say about right here would be his armpit area. Right here, and then I'm going to draw a slight angle line down. Now that we have this in, we can go ahead and start with his neckline. So let's come right here. We're going to draw one angle, another angle, and then connect in the center to create his neckline. And then inside, we're going to draw a curve for a shirt that's inside. And then let's see here, now we can continue this down. So it's kind of like this tunic that he's wearing, and it goes really low, right? So we're just going to keep bringing it down. And let's just kind of imagine like where his waist would be. So let's say about right here, I'm going to cut it off. So I'm just going to draw a curve right across. Let's bring this down a little bit more. Then I'll thicken this, so it's just a belt right here. All these straps that he has. And so that's going to be kind of like his waist, and then we can bring this down a little bit more. And then connect about right here with a curve all the way across. From there, let's work on his legs. So nicely in the center, let's come about right here and here. And here. So I'll go ahead and draw a slight angle line, comes down, and about right there I'll stop. So same thing over here, and let's connect it right here for his boots. So we're going to draw some cuffs for his boots. So come out at an angle, curve, go in, and curve. And then let's continue his legs down. And about right here, I'm just going to simplify this, bring it out, do a little heel, and then round it off for his feet. So same thing here. So just making a little bit more chibi style. So let's bring this down, give it a little curve outwards, a little bit in, and connect there. So then now let's come back, and I just realized it looks weird because we haven't given him any eyebrows. So let's come up above his eyes, say about right here, and We're just going to draw a curve that comes over the eye and thicken it up. It's the same thing on the other side. You're probably screaming to me to put it as eyebrows. Okay, so same thing, just like the other side, just thicken it up. And now it looks much better, right? Okay, so then now let's draw his arms. We're going to bring this down to create a sleeve. And about right there, I'll bring it in. Same thing on the other side. So let's work on this arm. So I'm going to bring it down just nice and simple to his side. Just side curve. Bring it right here, thicken it up. And on this hand, about right here, I'm just going to stop because there's this little guard thing that he wears right here. So I'm just going to draw in a curve right there. There's a little indication of it. So, and then we can go ahead and connect. And then his hands, I'm just going to draw it in a fist. So a little wobble, angle, and in. And just draw a little curve right there. And then for some details, let's add a strap right here and here. And let's see, but then he also has an overall strap, right? So, okay, let's just put it right here. There. And the same thing on the other side. Curve. Down. About right there. And same thing. Thicken it up and follow. And once again, same thing. Two curves. Angle. And a little curve right here for his hand. And so this one also is all wrapped up. So let's come about right here, draw a curve. We're just going to draw these curves that go right across to make it look like it's wrapped. There. So now for some details, let's come back up here, finish his curve. He has this little detail right here. I'll just go ahead and draw that as well. And so then now to work on his straps. So there's this one main one right here that comes across. We're just going to bring it down. And before we do finish it off, let's come about right here because we need to draw this one that overlaps it. Now we can go ahead and thicken this one up. And let's just add some very simplified details in there, some circles. And some lines. And this one has a center. And then there's one that goes right kind of underneath it. So we're just going to run it through. And before we finish that one off, there's this little part that hangs out right here. And now we can go ahead and finish it off. Add some detail. And let's see, I think that is pretty much it, right? Hopefully. Maybe we can add some stripes right here. I think. I don't have the Google image in front of me right now. I forgot what the colors are. But, oh, one more thing, the hair. So in the hair in the back right here, let's come about right here. We're just going to zigzag across and then down. There, just to finish off his hair, and that is pretty much it for this drawing of Link here from The Legend of Zelda. I really hope you love how he turned out just as much as the drawing of Zelda I drew earlier. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.